What's going on, everybody? It's your host of the Morning Beer Podcast and my new podcast channel called The Best Damn Podcast You Don't Listen To. Your host, Devrell Davis, and we're doing an unboxing video today. It's real quick. We're doing two items. Two items is pretty much two items I'm going to use when I'm doing my podcast. It's for the new podcast station and the old one, the Morning Beer Podcast and the Best Damn Podcast You're Not Listening To. Basically, it's a headphones and it's a microphone. All right, so I just ordered this probably like 2 days ago. It came in the mail today. The headphones is a OneOdioA71, which is an over-the-air headphone, and it's wired. I think it also has wireless features also. It was only $27, but I bought the silver version. They're pretty awesome studio headphones. Great for what I'm looking to do with this podcast and great for sound. So definitely excited to see what that is. And also the Babbl plug and play microphone, which retailed for $54. This is all bought on Amazon. Did my research on YouTube a little bit to look at the product and see the reviews and other things like that. These two items roughly came out within this last year, so they're fairly new. And I got the trusty butter knife right here, and I'm ready to open this damn thing. All right, so pause. So we got it open, and as you can see, here's the headphones here. DJ headphones. The package looked a little bit smaller than I thought it would be. It's the OneOdioA, sorry. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. And this is the box. I have huge hands, so as you can see, I'm able to like hold the damn box. It's small in my hands. This is the microphone right here. That was already like kind of scratched open. And we're gonna go ahead and open these two things up. I'm gonna start off with the headphones, and then we'll go to the microphone right after. All right, so I'm gonna put the microphone right here, and we'll pause again. So once I open the box, this is how it came. This is how it's presented to me. It's in a pouch already. You need two hands in order to get this out. All right, it's in a nice silky pouch. Here's all the wires within, of course, instructions. This is the box. Throw that right there. This is instructions. We never read the instructions. We don't keep that moving. We're gonna go ahead and open this up so you can see the device itself. Pretty light. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. All right, way lighter than I thought it would be. Got the silver version. We're gonna go ahead and remove this off the top. So this is the bad boy right here itself. It's nice plastic, but it looks premium, but it's obviously, you can tell how light it is. It is not necessarily premium. It is pretty good for the price. Nice leather top right here. Very cushy. Very cushy top. Very cushy right here as far as the cups are concerned. And turn the cups over. Nice. These are gonna be comfortable, because sometimes when you're podcasting or you're just shooting videos, it's gonna take hours and hours. So these are the cords that come with. This is of course a DJ headphone. So it's gonna have, you know, the 3.5 millimeter to 6.35 millimeter jack right here. Also here is a smaller one with a microphone to put in the computer. This is not Bluetooth, so if you're looking for Bluetooth audio for your listening pleasure, because these are going to be great for listening, it's going to be great for music, but it's also going to be great for feedback while you're doing a podcast. So if you're looking for a Bluetooth device, this is not what you're looking for. This is $27.99 on Amazon, and they're pretty much more versed for a plug and play for putting inside of a device, either a phone, which now phones don't have the jack no more, so this is more so going to be for my computer when I'm doing the podcasting. And you can also share with another device. That's why they have the two ports on it. So pretty nice. I'm going to try it on, see how it looks, take some pictures with it so you can see how it looks too. And then they also come in all black. They had the all black version, but I wanted to go with the brown, something a little bit different, because I already have all black headphones. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next item. We're gonna move this out the way, and here is the headphones. So we're gonna go ahead and bust this open, And this is how it comes. All right. This is the Babbl plug and play, Babbl, plug and play headphones. I like the style of it. That's what caught my eyes at first. Here's what it comes with. Of course, the instructions in here, which we never use. But what else is coming? Do we have some money in here? No money. Okay, let's put this away. Boom. Here's the cords. Here's a C port because it charges and it plugs with C port, fast charging. So that's good. It's pretty up to date. This is as far as a budget headphone. Wow, this is nice. This is very nice to look. It's very, very appealing, and it's almost like a bluish greenish color. Get this out with one hand. And I make everything look small in my hands, but this is sturdier than the mics that I have as far as how it feels. So, boom, right here. So look at that. There you go. So on the top right here, we got like a little material, mesh material. Down here, we got plastic, and of course the button right here says Babbl on the back. Nice little stand, which is very sturdy. My other one, my J-Labs, wasn't as sturdy, and I felt a little bit disappointed. I don't use it as much as I want to. I still go to the what the hell is the name of the other one? You see it when I use it, but I forgot the name of it. Well, I'm blanking out on the name. I use the globe. It's like a globe looking one. I forgot the name of it. I'm so prepared most of the time, right? So anyway, this is what comes in. This is how it is in the box. It's this is all that comes with in the box. It's a nice premium looking box too. To be the packaging is very impressive, but the device itself is also impressive as far as the sturdiness. It's sitting on a bed and it's like pretty. I'm pushing the bed and it's like, you know, holding its own and standing there. So that is pretty much going to be my new podcast setup. Let me see if it has. Oh, it has a C port jack, and you also could put headphones to this right here. So this is gonna be my new podcast setup. Right now, the headphones right here, and the microphone. So that's a quick unboxing of these two items I just purchased. All together, collectively, this cost $88 and some change. Okay. So, not bad haul for the price. This is a double unboxing done in one video. Tell me what you feel, and I'll show you some videos of the headphones on. I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast. I'm looking for the new channel coming out called The Best Damn Podcast You're Not Listening To. All right, I'm your host, Devereaux Davis. Talk to you later. Peace.